Okay, fine.
Can open your eyes.
Okay, fine.
Liar! 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 Oh my god, and it's the adjustable, and you get the one with this on it?
I don't know.
Hi viewers, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. We are checking out of our hotel. We just had breakfast with the fam. I'll show you guys that in a bit. Babe just gone up for the suitcase so that we can check out of the hotel. The hotel breakfast was delicious, tastes so good. Now we are heading to, I'm sure you guys probably are familiar with the name Saint-Tropez. Saint-Tropez is a city where so many celebrities flock to all over the world to come here in France. So we're going to a little city beside Saint-Tropez. We've been to Saint-Tropez before. It was a dream spot of mine and I've been there a few birthdays back. Beautiful city. So we're going to close by Saint-Tropez. So I'm just here waiting for my in-laws to go get their car and come back and meet us here. So it's another beautiful day that we're going to enjoy before we head back home. So enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new to the fam band. The birthday weekend is still on and we're having such a good time. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up and stick and stay and enjoy all the beauty and the goodness that we have to show you throughout today's vlog. Sarah, come here. Come here. Look, say hello to Faves. You okay?
Okay.
She's gone. She's playing this, she's messing with this game right here.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Starting out the morning with breakfast with the fam bam.
Mais il y en a plus.
Wait, Sarah,
Je vais
wait.
mettre les trois de l'autre côté si tu veux. Ils vont pas s'envoler. Parce qu'on la prend après un petit déjeuner.
Donc, maman, quel est ce qu'on met aux biscuits?
C'est pas biscuit, c'est
Du beurre.
du beurre et Nutella et confiture.
Miel.
Du miel. Je mets dans du pain.
Oui.
Du miel.
Give Sarah one of the chocolate bread.
De la confiture. De la confiture.
Non, j'ai compris.
Tout ça.
Il y a du chocolat ici. Vous pouvez faire votre dose comme vous voulez.
Allez, on va faire ça.
To the little city, we just got here. We saw a market that is selling lots of different things. We passed slippers, we passing soap, natural soap, natural remedy, dresses. Bonjour. Wow. Oh, they're packing up. I think they're about to leave. And there are scarves. There are tops. And the prices are not bad too. Some of the prices are expensive because some of the outfits are really elegant, but some are reasonable prices. Oh no, not a Primark stuff. Nice hats over there. They're nice. And guess because it's expensive, it's surrounded by an expensive city. So the things is not like a normal market, like where you would see, wow, look at these polo shirts. I love the color, the greenish looking one. Yeah. Damn, I'm hearing pure English people. Everybody I'm passing speaking English. I have homemade things. You have handmade jewelry. Lots of olives over there, different types of olives. Yeah, food over there. You have rotisserie chicken. Wow, look at these handmade lamps and candles. Shh. Put on your glasses, please. What do you want? Hold on, you want a bonbon? Restaurants along the way. Wow, and they show themselves making the jewelries too. Nice homemade jewelries, personalized. And then you have art pieces here. What is here? Like furnitures? Oh no, glasses. Where's Tata and Tyler? Ah. Huh? Ah. To find out where her hat. That's nice. Garlic and honey. Buy your honey. Nini make his own honey. Nice. Yes. I love it. I love it. Love it. With the hippie vibe. Scarf. Now we're entering. You guys, look at Tonton and Babe in the same color. Yeah, Jumeau?
Yes.
Look at this, the same shirt and the same shorts today.
Papa, Tonton looks like
Papa, the older version. Oui. So we're going through the old village. So this is what people entrance of their homes looking like. Very old and small and ancien. That's the word for ancient, old in French. Toc 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 toc. What you want? Sarah, 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 Sarah. We soon go on the escalier, okay? Very good. That's okay, don't run away. People sitting in the streets, old town, drinking, eating, enjoying the ambience of the old town life. Look at these two twinning. Tell us with the dog. Cruising through the old village.
Ah, c'est Pépin. Pépin Pig, regarde, Pépin.
Sarah, who is that?
C'est Pépin. C'est Georges ou c'est Pépin?
Un cochon. You still don't open it as yet? Oh la la. You'll never eat that candy today. He's struggling to open his candy and he doesn't want anybody to help him. He wants to eat it all. This house was the shop of a trader or craftsman. It is built entirely from local granite. This is something very common in Europe that you see plants growing on the side of buildings and they'll never cut it. It's very common. No matter where you go in Europe, you'll see this a lot. Unlike in Jamaica, when we see things growing on our house, we're gonna strip that. We're gonna cut it down. But here, look at this one. It's growing all the way up on the building, but they like it like that. Look at these two. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? He's struggling with his candy. Oui.
Mets-toi plus là, ou si tu veux, on va te porter.
Strong.
Non, maman, c'est pas grave.
You want juice?
Yeah.
Okay. Throw it, Ty. Throw. Throw.
Wait, I'm doing
Okay, okay. Okay, make your wish. It's a wishing well. Wish all though.
Hey.
Yay! Look at these restaurants, you guys, in the old city. So nice. Such a nice little chill spot. So we left the city that we were, say our goodbyes to my auntie and uncle-in-law, and now we are at McDonald's stopping to get some lunch before we head on the journey home. So we're like halfway home, halfway through the journey home, so we're gonna eat and then head home, and of course we're at McDonald's, the best highway stop. The kids are actually outside in the play area, so gonna let them play, then eat, play again, and then we head on the road. giving gifts. My friend Danielle got me sliders. These so surprising. I guess she's been listening to our conversation because I've been wanting sliders, and I came back and they were in my mail. So he got me sliders. Now it's time for me to receive Babe's gift because Babe wasn't here. I already received Tyler's gift, which was absolutely beautiful. So now it's time for Babe's gift. And Babe,
Close your eyes because I can't.
No, that's kind. You're gonna laugh.
I knew it. I knew it because I told Babe exactly what I want for my birthday. And look,
Other sliders.
another set of sliders. Babe got me a bigger version to the ones Danielle got me. And if you guys wondering what sliders are, they're something to use while working out. So you guys will be seeing me using them. This is too funny.
So Isa, you I still have the ticket.
No, I'm not returning none.
Oh, that's two, one for you.
No, I'm not returning none. You use one set, I use one set.
Alright, close your eyes for the next one.
Alright, Sarah, come and sit here.
And if I know you're gonna expect all of this.
I know exactly what they've given me. Sarah, come here.
Say, alright, Tyler, give that to Mama.
Yes! Oh my gosh, you saw the it's heavy?
It's light.
It's heavy.
I was carrying from Decathlon town to my walk in the tram everywhere. So
No, I mean it's heavy. Sarah, come and sit here. It's heavy compared to the one that I have. Be careful, you drop on your foot, you know? And of course, I asked for kettlebells. You guys know I'm workout crazy. So these are exactly, yes! I've been wanting.
Close your eyes.
And I finally got them. I specifically asked for 8 kg, both of them. And he got me the both of
They
them.
haven't you like 12 or
Yes, they
20?
did. Oh my gosh, they're heavy.
20.
Wait, but I can't close with this in my hand. Can somebody take these from me? Babe, take these. Oh my gosh.
Oops.
And don't put them where Sarah can get it, please.
No,
Yes,
Sarah.
Sarah, don't touch.
She can't even lift it.
Close your eyes.
You might think she can't and then it drop on her
No,
toe.
she just tried.
Listen,
Your eyes.
my eyes closed.
Next one.
I'm expecting it, so I think I know exactly what it is.
You'll be disappointed for
You
this
don't
one.
even... I'll be disappointed?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, couldn't find what you wanted.
Oh my god.
I got something else.
Okay, fine.
Can open your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Liar! 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 Oh my god, and it's the adjustable, and you get the one with this on it?
I don't know. You get one that you can work out hard on it.
No, but you get, it's not this I asked for, this is more technical and advanced, this is more big. Oh my god. Thanks, honey. I want to open it right now. And of course, more workout things I asked for. This is a workout step. Tell it in front of the camera. This is a workout step that I've been wanting for
So
years.
you can walk out and eat the cheesecake in same times. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Walk out, cheesecake. Sarah, walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake.
Show them what Sarah did.
Allez.
Show them what Sarah did.
Workout cheesecake.
Walk out, Sarah. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake. Walk out, cheesecake.
Show them.
Walk out, cheesecake. 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 Walk Walk out cheesecake.
Get on the pin in a
Walk out
clone.
cheesecake.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Cheesecake.
You-
Walk out cheesecake. Walk out cheesecake. Walk out cheesecake.
See, you make this something on the egg now.
17. Mama, to do something. 17.
Your turn, Sarah. Go, your turn. Okay, let me see the under the bottom. He said, Victoria, bloody camera, move. Come on, that's a man. We're testing out the weight, you guys. Come, babe. Hand up.
I'm going to supermarket.
Don't break it. You see? Look at the difference between my wrist and yours. You're breaking your wrist. Stop bending your wrist down.
Why don't you go as high as I go? You're chicken way?
Look.
No, no.
What you done?
Mama, I want to do something here.
I get my heart desire. Be careful.
Sarah!
Alright. Thanks, babe. I shall torture you tomorrow morning. That's the trick. Get me birthday gift to kill him.
My Sarah!
Yes, so Tyler jump on this side and you jump on this side. You Sarah jump here. Ty jumping on that side. You go here. Jump.